Friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today I am going to discuss how we can cure snoring problem using by 2 acupressure point. First we see the location of the point. First we mark the point and massage by probe to activate the point. The next thing you will have to do is to keep a small piece of paper tape and apply Biol magnet in such a way that the white color touch your skin. Now apply on the area which we marked earlier. This point is called CV22, GV23. You will keep this point at least for 7 to 8 hours regularly. So I would advise you to apply during night to get best result out of this. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are suffering from any other disease, comment me down in comment box. I will make video on that topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.